Boy, here we are Saturday morning. It's about 9:30. These two guys showed up about 7:30. And I already cut down a couple trees over here in the front of the house. Now they're working on another big one over here. They got their boom truck. That goes up 64 feet. Look at the size of that. And these guys don't fool around. Boy, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful day on Saturday here. March 16th. Finally, the rain has stopped. It was a beautiful day yesterday. And today we're getting the trees taken down. It looks like it's going to be... boy, it looks like they're going to be finished by noontime. It's amazing how fast they can get this work done.